Okay, so I'm doing this time. Wait, let me see if I'm recording. Okay, so yeah, I'm recording. So this is how I managed to install the mods for this series I'm starting. So first you type this in, install Twitch, and then you'll see this. Click on it, and then it'll say whatever this is. When I tried it on this, it didn't really work, so I prefer you use Windows. So download for Windows, you do the whole procedure. And then um you'll get like a page like this. When you well, first you'll need a Twitch account. So you'll have to create one. So once you create a Twitch account, wait, hold up. So once you create a Twitch account and get to this page, go to mods. You would see it right here. And then it should say a whole bunch of stuff. Click on, I think, Minecraft. I already did this, so I don't know. Um, and then the mod I got was called the for. Oh wait, what's it called? No, it's called Forces of Nature right here. And then it'll say install right here. You would click it, wait for it to do its thing, and then it'll say play. And then you will open the Minecraft launcher. Here, let me show you. I'm gonna press play so I can do my next episode for my series. And then it'll say this right here. And then you press play, and then you can create a world, mess with the mod, and all that stuff. And that's I think that's about it. There's other mods like, let me see. I got Pixelmon. This is the one I use, like the good one. This is the Aether. This is the Speedsters, like the Flash. Naruto doesn't have that much jutsus. I haven't used this yet. This, um, this, this, and this I don't know about. So, um, yeah, that's about it. It doesn't have like all the mods that you see on YouTube. It has some, but not all. But anyway, I am done with this tutorial. It was pretty short, and now I'm gonna get into my next video.